Boom! A mic drop moment. Was Peirce thinking of creatives when he came up with his sign action theory? Absolutely not. That would be absurd. Remember, he was a philosopher, a founder of pragmatism, a theorist, a mathematician, and a great thinker, but his language is obtuse. Today's episode has taken me personally years to think about what he meant and how it can map to creative's ideation. To explain it in designer-centric context, I have had to consider how true am I being to his theory compared to how can his thinking enhance visual communication practice. How did I even begin to go from obtuse theory into practical application? We all owe a debt of gratitude to two information scientists who, in a 2009 academic paper, analysed graffiti through a Peircean lens.